Compliment of the season to everyone watching this video right now and those that will be watching later. This is OJ's Health Kitchen, as you guys know. In the spirit of the season, I and my family decided to take a stroll to town today. And then we saw this guy selling tilapia fish by the roadside. And I decided to check out the price to see if it's affordable or not. Because considering the prices of things in the market these days, you don't just buy things without checking your pockets. So when I check out the price, relatively it's okay. The prices were okay compared to the prices of things in the market nowadays. So I decided to take advantage of it and buy this much for keeps. So the scale has been removed already from the seller. But as a content creator now, I decided to show you guys how I do my own proper cleaning in the house. Because for you to enjoy fresh fish, either as pepper soup or using it for soup, for swallow or stew or anything you want to do with your fresh fish, it starts with a proper cleansing, proper cleaning. Because if you want to eat fresh fish and it's smelling all freshy, and you know those kinds smells from fresh fish, you won't be able to eat it no matter the ingredients you put. So I start with adding my salt. The salt will help me to take away that stink, that fresh fish smell from it. With the help of the sodium, it helps you to remove that smell. So salt is one of the things I use in cleaning my fresh fish. Apart from the smell, it kills bacteria and other invisible things in the fish. So I have to repeat this process one by one, one by one. So I'll leave you to enjoy this process as it goes on. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you have watched this far, that means you want to see the end of this video. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to OJ's Health Kitchen so you can know if any other video has been uploaded. You will be notified. And then drop comment in the comment section, at least to tell me how you watch your own tilapia fish, because let me not lie to you, this is work, man. I have been washing since. And then if there is any other ingredient you use in washing your own to make the washing easier, please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section, because learning is a continuous process. As you can see, these are the gills and the fins that I've removed so far. So that aspect is done and dusted. We are going to proceed to the next item that I will be using to clean this, because the salt alone is not enough for me because I have a sensitive nose. Growing up as a child, I don't even eat fresh fish, but now that I'm eating, I do a lot of cleaning to remove that pungent smell that it used to have. So as you can see now, this is my lime orange. I still go in with lime orange to remove those smell further. So if there's any other thing you use to wash your own, you can tell me in the comment section. I am open, very open to learning. So you see that I make sure the lime goes in very well. And not only lime, I use lemon juice also. So if you don't have lime in your fridge and you have lemon, as you can see there, that is my lemon. For the purpose of this video, I'm still going to add this lemon to the lime I use for proper cleaning and to eliminate that smell, that fishy smell from it, so that I can enjoy my fish when I'm done washing. So at this point, I'm going to leave you guys to see as the process goes on. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, we are done with the washing procedure or the cleaning procedure. We'll cut the fish into our desired sizes and then give it a quick rinse, because at the end of the cutting there will still be some particles that you will not want it to go into your meal, which is what I'm doing here right now. After that, you go ahead and then marinate it and get it set for the cooking proper. So since you have stayed with me from the beginning to this point, I would encourage you to click the bell icon so that you can be notified when we are going to prepare this meal in full. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us step by step as we go into 2024. You see how clean they all look. That is what you get at the end of a proper cleaning. So if there is any shortcut to washing this fish or cleaning this fish like this, please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section, because this my procedure is long, is tedious. I would like to know if there is a shorter way to clean this fish. I am open to learning. So tell us in the comment section how you wash your own and tell us where you are washing from. This is OJ's Health Kitchen. You see how they are all cleaned. So this is my seasoning. I'm using 2 cubes of seasoning to marinate it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. This is what I am using. Then I use the available spices I have in the house. I use curry, I use thyme, I use black pepper, and so on and so forth. So you can use any spices of your choice. It will go a long way to give you the taste you want. So after that, don't forget to rub all these spices into it. You rub it very well, then put them in a bowl, set it in the fridge and give it time to marinate before you use it, because that is what I do. So that is the rubbing process you're seeing there. That is the rubbing process. I did this one by one to make sure that everything has a uniform taste, not that one part is sweet and the other part is tasteless. So you have to take your time to do it. That is how I do mine. So if there's any other way, let me know in the comments section. So this is OJ's Health Kitchen. Don't forget to eat healthy, because your health is your wealth. Your health is your wealth. You see, that is a long job well done. You see that? This is the end of the whole washing and cleaning we have been doing since. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you so much from OJ's Health Kitchen. Happy New Year in advance. Happy New Year. Thank you all. Bye.